Moshi Moshi. Hey, hey, hey. I tried something new today. I'm learning about group filters in OBS. I wanted to see if I could spice up the starting screen a little bit. The funny thing about that is that if I use like a crop filter on this, then if I go to another on the same source, then in a different scene, the crop is not active, which is fun. That's kind of cool. Very exciting. How's everyone doing tonight? This is a shorter stream tonight. I've got some work I got to do. I mentioned that I probably would be doing this for Thursdays, either no stream at all or a shorter stream. And so we're just going to do a couple of hours today, but it should be fun. Should be a lot of fun. And what are we going to do today? Well, remember back a little bit ago when we were working on a tutorial? Yeah. That's still happening. And I'm going to add something to it tonight that's should be a fun way to learn about making paths and curves and arcs and all those fun things. So it's going to be a fun interactive tool. I think I did an iteration of this some time ago, but I can't find the project, so I might as well build it from scratch again. You know, sometimes it's just easier to start from scratch. Yeah. Anyway, that's what we'll do tonight. Again, just a couple of hours, but the goal is to have this finished. I want to show you guys something. So I've been putting together an outline of all the things that I want to do. So right now I've got 6 different sections here. This is the tutorial, the deep dive on shapes in SwiftUI. We're starting with an introduction. We're going to go into shape styles, transformations, the insettable feature. Then we're going to go into custom shapes, and this is where we start talking about paths and all the wonderful things that we can do with our custom shapes. And then we'll round it out with animations, which could be a whole other series in and of itself, but I figure this is a good, I think this is a good outline for now. For the animations, can you add a matrix animation in the future? Ooh, that's a great idea, Chris Platt. Yeah, I love that. That's a cool idea. We should totally do that. Like the falling green text. Yeah. No, I think that's a great idea. I'd love to do that. That should be cool. What have you been working on lately? Also, is the background music too loud? I can never tell with these things. Okay, so what is it that I want to do with this? Here's the goal. So instead of so stroke examples, I'm going to create a new group, and this is going to be path examples. And let's make a new file. And this is going to be path curve visualizer. There you go. You've been moving. Oh. Man, moving's rough. I hope it's going okay. Trying to see if I want to use a canvas for this or if I just want to use a drag gesture on some elements. Let's see. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to place a geometry inside a V-stack. And then what I'm going to do is probably have a text that includes something here. And then here we're going to have some elements. You drove from Austin to upstate New York. Oh, gosh. 27 hours. That's commitment. This is a permanent move, yes? Wow. Glad you made it safely. Was that the final trip, or do you got more to do? You got to go back for something? Oh no. I left that one important box. This hinges on everything. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make a path. And in that path, what I want to do is I want to... ooh, yeah. I'm going to have to... There'll be something going on here. Actually, you know what? I need to make this a separate struct. Maybe I can actually define it in here. This is going to be our path. This is going to be our drawing pad. Yeah. This is a shape. There we go. I swear we've done this before. But oh well. This is going to be a curve. This is gonna be a drawing pad. This is gonna be a curve. Curve. Add quad curve. No. Regular curve. 2 var destination CG point control 1 control 2 destination. But why doesn't it? It's getting mad at me. Oh, this is why. I need it defined inside here. Good evening, AJ. Hello, friend. Good to see you. How are you? How's your Thursday going? Drawn pad. Destination. How about we make a little circle that's got maybe it's got a frame of 5 and a height of 5, and then on drag data. Cannot convert value of type closer. Oh, no. Gesture. How do I do this again? Creates a dragging gesture with the minimum dragging distance between the gesture exceeds in the coordinate space of the gesture's location. It's been a hectic day. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you're feeling better. Hope you have a chance to cool down. Some days are just really rough, eh? You watch the baby crawl around an emotional support fish stick from dinner time. That's adorable. This is mine. That is too funny. That is hilarious. Unchanged. Value in. Let's... I'm going to say unchanged. Here we go. We're gonna this is gonna be destination equals value. The drag gesture dot value, isn't it a CG point? I don't know if this is true. Value dot location. There we go. Perfect. It was a pretty cute. I agree. Cannot assign to property self is immutable. What? Oh, that's because I need to make it a state property, everybody. I thought I done told you. Okay. We've got a destination property, a control 1, control 2 properties. And we've got a circle with a width of 5 and a height of 5 and put a drag gesture on it. And when it changes its value, its location is the new destination. I'm then going to draw a drawing pad with the destination of destination. And I got to do the same thing with some control points. So I'm going to do this again. And now we're going to say control 1. And this is going to be control 2. This something here is going to be destination. No exact matches in call to instance method append interpolation. Oh. How about debug description? You got something for me there? Xcode. Inaccessible private protection level. Huh. Okay, how about we start out at 0. Maybe everything is 0. I don't think this is a good idea. Let's just, okay, so our gesture is going to be this. We're going to have the foreground color for our destination be red. The 2 control points are going to have blue and green. Did you take video or photos of said fish stick emotional support journey, AJ? Initialization of immutable value shape style 3 was never used. That's a different file. We don't have to worry about that for now. Okay. Okay, there it is. There it is. And it's not letting me grab it. I'm going to do something interesting here. Let's say maybe our CG point and it's going to be X is 100 and Y is 100. And let's do the same thing to this and this, but instead of 100, this guy's control point is going to be 50, 100. This guy's going to be 150, 100. Oh no, what's going to happen? Which means this little green dot, and actually let's make him bigger. Let's say let's let circle width equal 10.0. You do? Good. Good, good, good. Great and good. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so I've got this drawing pad, and currently what happens is we path in, and we say path move to 0, path add curve to, path close subpath. Okay, hey, we're getting somewhere. So we got this little blurb up here, and ooh, looky here. Look what we got here. So I'm not able to see. Oh, you know what I need? I need an offset. I need the offset to be control 2. You posted a pic in general? Oh, she's adorable. This is mine. This is my fish stick. I don't think she ever finished eating it. Now the surprise is having to go find it. Can I convert value of type CG point to expected argument type argument type CG size? Oh, I see. How about just control 2.x, y is control 2.y. There we go. Hey now, look at what we got here. I swear we've done this project before. It's okay though. It's gonna give us practice. Destination. Okay. Here we are. And we really should have a source one. We probably shouldn't just we don't want him to feel left out. So let's make another one called source start. Yeah. 0 です. Move to, and I guess I got to do start here. Var start CG point. Move to start. Add curve to destination with control points 1 and 2 and close the subpath. And where are you? Start. Build. Cannot preview in the file because I'm a preview provider and I like to make things difficult for developers in Xcode. Oh, I can't. What? I can't move you? Oh, whoops. Start equals value location. There we go. Good morning, Cocotype. How are you? Good to see you. Let's go. Okay, so destination. If I say, you know what, maybe this should be further out. You're 100, 0. You are 200, 100. No. Whoops. Bad idea. 300, 200. Control 1 is 50, 100. Control true is 500, 300 for some weird reason. How are you doing, Coco Type? Yeah. Why don't I see the green guy anymore? Is he off the page? He might be off the page. Yeah, there he is. Need a vacation? What else is new? I hear, man. Struck. I didn't like my line width parameter for some reason. There we go. Ah, it closes the subpath. That's what's happening. I wonder if there's any way to stop that from happening. I know. Don't close the subpath. Okay. Brilliant. Judah Rock, whoa, what's up? Long time no see. How you been? Good to see you. Hey, look at this. Okay. Let's add some fun stuff to the stroke style, yeah? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we've done this project before. There's me dancing. There you go. Didn't have to spend 100,000 points. Look what just happened. I need a vacation too, Coco Type. Definitely need one. Free dancing? Just from the neck up. Yep. Yep. Yeah, cool. Okay, so here we go. This is our add curve to destination. Very straightforward. I would like to draw some extra stuff that shows like what happens. Like I kind of want. I need some like pretty labels that kind of help us understand what's happening. I am working on a shapes tutorial series. I was shown at the beginning. Here is my outline. I did some stuff. I've been working for the last couple of months on building out something that that hopefully will turn into a YouTube series of videos, short videos. To the point, no like filler stuff, just awesome stuff that you can use to learn about SwiftUI. And we're doing a deep dive, and this section is about drawing paths. And so I just putting together a little bit of tutorial here just so I can kind of visualize like how I want to present the content. It seems like what I need to do is draw like a line that's normal to where this curve happens. You guys can see like as I move this blue dot around, the main thing is you get that. This affects where the curve goes, and of course it's dependent on two control points, not just one. But I want to like I want to figure out what's the best way to do this. Maybe what I could do is I can overlay this. Maybe I could overlay with a text saying start, or maybe position. position 0. And we could offset that thing by x0, y -5, just because. Whoops. How about that? Cannot preview in this file, syntax error. Why does this not? Oh, I have to have a space between the minus sign. Yeah, it's been pretty enjoyable. I've been having a blast so far. Let's say 20. Okay, there we go. There's our P0. But the 0 is not showing up. You guys see that? P0. It's just showing P. What the? What? What's happening? P1, and this is going to be destination. Code type. Thank you. I guess you can use them all up now that you got your free dance. Now, it's not technically an official prize yet. I'm only getting a single character. I wonder if that's because the width of the circle. I think that could be it. Is there something called like ignores parent? Let's just try ignores safe area. No, that doesn't work. That scared me. I've been waiting at 54,000 points for that. You're supposed to save those, says Matt. Exactly. I got to figure out what to do. I need to go take lessons or something, because y'all would not be impressed with my skills. I have been known to like move around like and keep my head still. That's like a trick, a stupid human trick that I have done in the past. That's all I got. I need to go take a class or something. I'm not getting. What about background? What if it was background? Would that work? No, I'm still getting only a single character. Like what about like? Yeah, the ignore safe area isn't really doing much, is it? So maybe. What do you guys think? What do you think's happening here? Text, circle. Let's okay, let's clean up our it's kind of a cool playlist. Why are you like this? Okay, then what I'm gonna do then is instead, let's just try two characters that are alphabetical. That's a good idea. No dice. What the heck? Oh yeah. And now I'm getting nothing. Man, I ain't into nothing. Hold on a second. I feel like I need to rebuild. Something's happening. It's like hacker music. Also, why is it like offset start X, start Y? No, that's not it. Okay, let's take a look at this. So the offset happened, and then the overlay happened, and then the foreground color happened. Here, same thing. Background. Oh, I don't have an overlay though. No, oh, instead of an overlay, it's background. Okay, we're just gonna do A, B, C, and D for now. Let's see if that resolves anything. I don't know. I was looking for equivalent to UI kits clip to bounds, but the docs say the SwiftUI doesn't clip by default. So there's something else that's happening. Okay, so I see A, B, C. Where's D? Ayo, where's D? Frame overlay. I don't like this. Offset, destination. Yeah, that's B. There's A, there's B. C is offset control 1X. Oh. No, I have an idea. Let's do the offset first and then do the overlay. Hey, there we go. There we go. Offset overlay, offset background, offset overlay. Do the offset first. There we go. I had the view modifiers mixed up. That still doesn't explain why they're getting cut off though. You see? Do you see? Overlay, text D, offset. Text D, offset. Maybe position? Maybe try position? Let's see. Okay, so D is there. And how about D with 6 characters? Make the frame bigger. Oh, I should make the frame bigger. You think that's what it is? But if I do that, well, there you go. Okay, that works. Now what? What if we go scale? No. Draw the frame. Okay, I'll draw the frame. Border. Color. Purple. There it is. Do I need to specify a frame here? Well, I'll be. No, that does not work. That does not work. Help me. D. I'm going to say control 2. You have to at least be able to have 2 characters. Come on, man. Okay, what if instead we said that the circle width was 20? Now, that's going to throw everything up. So hopefully we'll be able to do 2 characters. I still don't understand why this is being so stingy, though. I think that look, the curve's dancing. Curve's got the moves. Oh, yeah. Okay. So background doesn't work and offset doesn't work. Or sorry. What if we did a text with the background of a circle? What if that's what we did? For example. Oh, shoot. Does this mean that the gesture is going to need to go on the text instead? Let's just give it a try. I'm going to comment this out. And now, there's P1. Look at what we did. Just make the circle shape a V stack with the text and shape inside it. That's one way we could do it. If we did that, would the circle be centered? It doesn't seem like it's centered anyway, like the way that this is built, does it? Like if you take a look at where the line starts. Oh, hello, scroll feature that doesn't work when you're zoomed in. How has this bug not been fixed yet? So we could do that. Never gonna give you up. I have an idea. If you move to start. Do you know why this isn't working? It's because the circle is being drawn at the offset. We need to anchor it. We need to anchor it by center. Anchor point. Wait, don't we have our anchor point? Offset X, Y. Anchor. Isn't there a modifier for the anchor? There is no offset anchor. Oh no, shooby-dooby-doo. Position? X, Y? Where's the dang anchor? Can we do offset before we do frame? Can we do offset? Where in the heck did I... Anchor! Anchor, where are you? Anchor! Is it a bug? Scrolling on top of the preview is just scrolling inside the phone. It'll send the scroll events to your app instead of Xcode. Oh, shoot. Okay, then how do I... Yeah. Boom. Layout containers. This is one more reason why I need to learn layout. Ah! Rotated shape has an anchor. Yeah, you initialize it with a content, an ankle, and an anchor. This is rotated shape. Do I just need to do an offset shape? Offset shape. Oh, shut up. You don't even have it. How can you not have an anchor? Is it the frame modifier that has the anchor? I don't even know anymore. Match geometry properties. No, no, no. Frame modifier, my man. With the position and size properties. Da 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 da. Does anybody move to for each? Okay, so here's my main issue. Here's my main issue. I would like to center. I just saw it, Matt. That's funny. Nice job. That's funny. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's like the party parrot. There you go. That's my inspiration. I expect that to go on your stream now. Oh, I just showed it. Nice capture. Very good. Very good. All right. Any ideas why Anchor isn't working? Anchor's away? Anchor's away. The rotation angle anchor. But that is it. How about border color orange? You can too. Show it to me. Where expected member name following dot. Oh, that's why. Path curve. Path curve. Path curve visualizer. Da, 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 da. I'm not getting. Oh, I'm getting it from you. There's a clear issue. Okay. Well, I'm not going to sweat it. Let's just keep on going. This guy is basically going to be the same thing. I'm just going to do it. Yep. Probably could just turn this into its own view. That might be easier rather than like having this giant wall of text. Yeah, let's do that. You guys ready? Here we go. Let's make a new property. I guess it'd have to be a function, yeah? Function marker with title title string value. It's going to be a binding to a float. I mean it's going to be a binding to a CG float, CG point. There's an anchor preference. Oh. Anchor preference. Well, well, well. in a lazy V grid. Are there any others? In offset shape. Who conforms to this? Some view where K is preference key. Transform, make your A. Okay, yeah, we could try that. We could try that. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Matt. Oh, okay. So I just make a structure that conforms to preference key, and then I let the bounds be an anchor, and then I do what? Dot anchor preference after the frame. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Okay, so let's finish this. Marker title. This is going to return some view. What this is going to be is this. Yeah. Let's call it a draggable marker. Draggable marker. With a title. And the value is going to be binding value.x. Cannot find what? Oh, maybe it's just value.x. Value.wrapped value.x. I think. This is what we want, yeah? I think that's it. Okay, so draggable marker cannot assign a value of values let constant. What? Oh, value.wrapped value equals new value.location. Does that work? Let's do draggable marker then. Right here, draggable marker, title P1 value, $, start. Shazam. Now, let's just test it on one of them. Let's see if that works. Hey, Chanzida. Sorry, I'm butchering your name. Do you work as a software engineer? Not in my current daytime role, no. But I have in the past, yes. Welcome to the stream, by the way. How you doing today? Hey, this is looking almost good. Something's happening over here though. We lost some stuff. Foreground color. Maybe we need a color. Title. Color equals. Let's just say foreground color. We don't need a border. There's our draggable marker. So this is reusable. Good, how about you? I'm doing well, thanks. Can I show you a portfolio page I made and let me know your thoughts and critiques? Oh, wow. I can tell you something. We have a Discord channel that you're welcome to join, and there is a section called self-promotion. If you're going to stick around, then yeah, it'd be awesome. I'd love to see what you got. I don't know if I can critique it right now, but definitely if you want to post it, I'd love to take a look, as long as it is family friendly. So later, I mean, yeah, I'm only going to be online tonight for another hour. But yeah, welcome. By the way, what kind of stuff you working on? Okay, draggable marker. So I think this is actually working. So let's just do this 4 times. Boom, boom. We got P2, we got C1, we got C2, and this is going to be destination. This is going to be control 1. This is going to be control 2. And just like that, save ourselves bundles of lines of code. Oh, thank heaven for reusable code. Am I right? Draggable marker. There it is, folks. Let's assign some colors now. So, color dot black. I guess that's the default. Oh, let's just do something fun. We'll start with purple. And then here we'll go blue. Here we'll go dot green. Here we'll go dot red. I just transferred from community college to university. Excellent. I wanted a front-end internship, so I made a portfolio site using Bootstrap. Oh, nice. I wanted opinions from software engineers that have been in the industry. Well, I'd be happy to take a look. First of all, congratulations for doing that. Making a portfolio takes a lot of upfront effort, and yeah, it's good to get your stuff out there. We got a lot of software engineers who frequent chat. Sometimes they actually show up in Discord too. It's a nice, quiet, chill community though. So you may not get an immediate answer, but I'll definitely take a look at it. Why don't you go ahead and post it in, you can join the Discord and do it. If you don't feel good about joining the Discord, then yeah, I'd prefer not having links in the chat, if that's okay. P1, P2, C1, C2. Here we go. This works. However, the circle is not getting the color. I think we have to do this. This whole thing, golly. Maybe if I throw it all the way down here. Well, that did it. That did it. Excellent. Hey, look at that. Boom. If it's bad, then yeah, I don't want to see it. I'm sorry. If it's not safe for work, I'm sorry. This is a family friendly stream, but I appreciate your enthusiasm. Yeah. Thank you though. P1, P2, C1, C2. Okay, this is turning out pretty good. What I would like to do is actually update this the text at the top to be a little bit more descriptive. So let's take a look at that. What we're going to do is we're going to make a group and throw in 4 texts in here. Whoops. There we go. Destination. I cannot spell today. Control 1. Control 2. Okay. Let's make let's see. In my group, can I want to do like an alignment of leading. Maybe I just have to throw that in a VStack. I guess that's fine. VStack, alignment, leading. Sweet. Hey, Ploppy, what's up? How you doing today? Look at that. Oh, Shazam. Okay, so here's the issue, guys. This needs to be string formatted to just 2 decimal places. Start debug description. Can you do that though? Like if the description is a string, I might have to actually go in here and deal with that, huh? Extension? I have an idea. And the same thing for Y. Yeah. Wait. There we go. Y. I don't even know what you're building, but that already looks awesome. Hey, thanks, Blobby. Now we're just we're doing a tutorial on drawing curves and showing what control points do. Uh-oh. What just happened? It stopped responding to me. Okay, Xcode's okay. Phew. What have you been up to? How you doing? Ooh, something's not working. Oh, here we go. Oh, perfect. Okay, so there we go. Now we got 2 decimal places. Yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is it's going to have an opening parentheses. It's gonna have a closing parentheses, and then the same thing over here. Okay, and then let's do I guess monospace. Is that how it goes? With can I do monospace digit? Sweet. Now the numbers are gonna be nice and spaced out so that it doesn't, like, when you're trying to, like, you know, move the cool. Hey, very nice. Okay. We're done. Just kidding. Let me see now. So this is for a curve with 2 control points. Gifify that head movement too. I don't know, but I feel a little bit more animated than I usually do today. That last one, yeah, you blinked and you missed it, Matt. Sorry. Okay. So let's find some let's find a great way to package this. What we're gonna want is to have something like maybe a text that's like path dot curve font dot title. Bold title. And then this and then yeah, this is nice right here. So this is like our header. Yeah? You're clipping it? you guys work fast. Is it useful to have it in absolute coordinates, or would it be better to put it inside like a normalized rectangle? Yeah, you guys. Oh, you can't see me. Can't see me anymore. I don't know about that one. Oh boy. Oh, you deleted it? You're making a new one? So maybe like instructions. Maybe instructions would be great. So so text, drag the colored points to test to see changes in the curve when positions and control points when start, end, and control point positions are modified. I don't like that one. Just make a bunch of GIFs of me nodding my head. Drag the colored points to see the changes in the curve when the start, end, and when the endpoints. How about that? When the endpoints, when the endpoints and control points positions. To see the effect. Wait, is it EF or AF? EFF? See the effect? See the change in the curve when the endpoints and control point positions are modified. That's fine. Start. There. Sometimes it's hard to like create an interactive experience that isn't all jumbled with like nonsense. You know what I mean? Too much blur motion? I need like 120 frame per second stream. That should fix it. That's kind of fun. Uh-oh. Oh, the draggable area This curve is doing the worm. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh, you see what just happened? Now, I can't even drag this because it, oh. I had to like, by the pixel, like get it to go. So this could be useful if like, if you're looking for like an animation that you want to make, maybe all you have to do is put the control point in a circular pattern like this. Yeah. Like what if we were to animate this where we somehow enforce the control point to move in a circular fashion? I wonder if we could do that. I think we can. I think we can do it like an angular offset animation, can't we? Okay. Tangent time. Here we go. This is what you came for. Don't close the subpath though, because that'll ruin it. So I'm gonna instead of commenting it out, I'm just gonna keep it this way. Because this is essentially like an drawing path element, yeah? Oh, let's also, hey, for good measure, let's do the path description as well. Wouldn't that be kind of fun? So then what we'll have to do is we'll have to say we're going to have to store it in memory. So we're going to be like let pad equals drawing pad, and then we just say pad.stroke. But we're also going to do, oh, it's going to be up top here, yeah? I have an idea. I have an idea. Yeah. How about I do it up here? So I'm going to let the pad be that, and then I get to go like this. I get to go text pad dot path in, oh shoot. That's not going to work. I need it inside, dang it. Here we go. Here we go. This is fine. This is fine. There we go. Pad in proxy dot frame in local dot description. Yes. Do you see what I'm doing? Oh yeah. We're gonna show the official shorthand version of what the path looks like, which you can store it here. So we got the move to, and then we got the curve to 79, 275, 133. Check it out. There's the control point 1. Boom. 200, 300. That's the control point 2. Boom. 300, 200. That is the destination. Very nice. But it's kind of getting thrown off here. Let's see if we can since everything starts, oh, it's not in the Z stack. That's why. I see. Then if that's the case, maybe I'll just throw it. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do about this is I'm going to do a text that says the path.description. inside a vertical stack. There we go. But now that is centered. So now what I have to do is do alignment leading. Okay, that works a little bit better, but I still am, let's go padding. And let's do, again, monospace digit. Maybe that'll fix it. That'll fix your wagon. Now, it looks like description automatically truncates it to 3 decimal places. You guys see that? Hey, we need some more fun. I think you know what time it is. I think it's animation time. Let's do, we can go linear. Duration 2. Repeat forever. And the value is animating. And because, yeah. Ah, look at us. Oh boy. Let's do repeat forever, auto reverse. What? Repeat forever, auto reverses. False? Is no, I think I have to do auto reverses, yeah? Auto reverses. False. There it is. Might be a little bit distracting. How about we do a linear gradient from purple to blue? Wait a second. Why is it moving? Wait a second. Why is it moving towards the source? You guys see that? P1 is where it starts. It's going this way. We need to do minus 100. There we go. What happened to the music? Yes. I'm still listening. Let's just keep it at 10. I don't like that it's like starting off way up here and that it's getting in the way of the path description. I feel like maybe there's a way. Maybe there's a way on the Z stack to frame it height divided by 2. No, that doesn't work. This kind of sounds like Mortal Kombat. Okay, so stroke style and we are going to foreground style. Oh. Leading? Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So. What if we now animate the control point? Get that center anchoring now. Yes, we need to get the center anchoring. Absolutely we do. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at where are you showing me here? So I need to do preference key. Okay. You need to create a data and key struct conforms to preference key for anchor preference to work. Okay. This could totally be in a Mortal Kombat game, I think. Bum 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 bum. All right, let's do it up here. So we're gonna create a struct called sweet preference key, which is a preference key, and we have type alias value equals oh, hold on a second. Struct sweet preference data, which is going to be let bounds is going to be an anchor. I guess it has to be a CG rectangle. That's what this Stack Overflow post is telling me anyway. Then the value is going to be, oh. Anchors reference to some coordinate data, rect or point. Oh, it needs to be a point, yeah? Point. Restore the appearance of later read geometry proxy. That reference can be transferred into real coordinate data of current coordinate space. So the answer showed it in a CG rectangle, but I kind of want to do, oh, but it has to be the bounds. And it does a transform. Oh my gosh, this is very involved. Okay. I think this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Default value. Oh, I need a default value? Huh. Well, yeah, look at that. Oh, we have to do all these things. We have to do all these. This is requirement. Static function reduce value in out. Sweet preference data. Next value. Sweet preference data. Oh, it's got to be an array? So value has to be an array of sweet preference data. So my default value of this will be empty. And then reduce says value append contents of next value. And you're calling the you're calling that. I didn't say it was right. It's all your fault. No, it's okay. Do I want to add protocol stuff? I thought I did already. Let's just see. Let's just see what's happening here. Okay, so default value is that. Reduce value. Value of sweet preference data has no member append. Oh, it's got to be an array. You change your value to an array, so the reduce should be an array now. No exact message. Message? Please leave a message after the beep. No exact matches and called instance method append. Maybe I gotta throw this at the top. Build. Build failed. Oh, do I need an index? Let index. No. Let's just see if that resolves it somehow. No. Sweet preference key. Preference key. Type alias. Default value. Static function reduce. Value in out. Comma. Next value. Oh. This is also an array. There we go. Do I even need this index though? I'm seeing your chat, Matt, like after. I'm a little delayed. My apologies. Okay, so that should work. And now we frame anchor preference all the way down here, yeah? Wait. Where did you go? Draggable marker, text, offset, background, circle, frame, gesture, foreground color, and then anchor preference. Oh, maybe the anchor preference is actually on the circle itself. Let's just see. Anchor preference. Anchor preference. Key. Wait. Oh, shoot. That was the key. Key. Sweet preference. Value bounds. Bounds. Dot bounds? Transform. What in the world? Okay. Let's see if that did it. Next value is an array. Cannot convert value type anchor CG rectangle to expected argument type anchor CG point. Well, there you go. It has to be a CG rectangle. Now we know. Rooked. Just thinking about it. Cannot preview in the file. Hmm. Do I need to put like a center somewhere? Anchor bounds. I want it to be centered. In the example, they're anchoring on the path. Oh, they're anchoring on the path. Oh, so is it this? Let's do a line width of 1 and see if it worked. I have a feeling. Where are you? Line width 1. No, it didn't do it. It's still a little offset. Maybe the value needs to be center? Shoot. We're not quite there yet. We're very close, I think. But maybe not. Let center. Oh, why? Why? It's not working. Matt! They used .anchor on pattern, which is a path. I'm wondering if you put it on your path instead of the circle? All the way over here? Like here? On the curve? Let's give it a try. Ba-da-da-da. In which case, the bounds probably has to be it, yeah? Might have to be on the bounds. I thought I done told you to work on the bounds. Oh no. So I may have to just not do it on the draggable marker. Failed to build. Oh man, we only got half an hour left. This almost sounds like the opening of Head Like a Hole. Got money, I'd do anything you need. Wait. Is that the lyrics? I'll do anything for you. Just tell me what you want me to. Head like a hole. Okay, that didn't work. But maybe it's because I've got... You know what it is? It's... I think the positions of... Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a border around the pad. Okay. Border. Color. Hey, you know what the issue is? I think I know what the issue is. This says pad is drawing pad. But I'm doing pad stroked path. Pad path in proxy. Nah, that's not it. That's not it. I have an error. So I did a pad, and what I need to do is I just need to do a frame is what I need to do. Yeah, that's probably the issue. I need to do a frame. Frame, width, proxy dot size dot. Well, no, yeah, it's already going to do it because it's the Z stack is in charge of the frame, and so the pad's going to expand out to the Z stack. I need to center those things, man. Come on. You know what it all... It's almost like I need to make this drawing pad a... It's almost like I need to force it to have a bounds between P1 and P2. That might not be right. Okay, so we got another solution for anchor preferences. What do we have? The idea is to create the bounds anchor of the button when it's created and stored into an anchor preference. To get an actual bounds, you need to use geometry proxy, which I've got that. Local bounds equals anchors. Anchors. Wherever you... We relate the bounds anchor and get the bounds value. When we have the bounds value, we store it in the state variable where they're accessible and the button action executes. The following solution creates a number of buttons where the bounds are accessible via dictionary, where the key is the button's label. Store bounds anchors and the bounds anchors preference key. For each in my body, in the VStack, for each label in button action, let bounds equals bounds label. Oh, bounds is a dictionary. I see. I'm going to say let bounds equals bounds label. Print bounds or nothing. Text verbatim label. Anchor preference. After the button, key, bounds anchors preference key, self, value bounds, transform, label, that. Okay. That's something that we kind of did. Frame, background preference value, anchors in. Geometry reader. Oh, there's a geometry reader inside the background preference value. Background preference value is an actual modifier, a view modifier that they didn't create. Why do you have to make CG rectangle hashable? Okay, there's this string anchor. Okay, so oh wow. So you're collecting a bunch of bounds anchors preference keys. And then you have, this is also a dictionary, a string of CG rectangle, reduced value merging. So the reason why they did that was because they're making a collection of like buttons, yeah? Which I guess would be the same thing for us because we have a collection of circles, sort of, yeah. Seems like a lot. Just to get, okay, I'm gonna be real, you guys. SwiftUI sometimes is a real pain. It should not be very difficult to do. Except hello, alignment center. What? What is this right here? Okay, but anyway. Background preference value. On preference change. So I did that all the way down here on anchor preference, but they don't. Yeah, they do anchor preference with the key. The value is bounds. The transform is just that. And then you have this frame and then alignment. Shut up. That didn't do anything. If you search for preference, you see all the options for applying a preference. So the anchor preference happened, and then I have to do a background preference. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Anchors away. Here's where I do the geometry reader. Oh my gosh, this is nutso. Proxy in. There's an overlay preferences too. Oh. Maybe that's I guess that makes sense because the background preference, because circle is in the background. Okay, that's fine. Let local background preference value. Oh, so is this where I put my circle? So I do text offset and then I do background preference value for the text. But what I really want is I just wanted okay. Okay. Very interesting. Oh man. Hold on a second. Let me see if this actually builds. It's not building. I just want to see if like incrementally it's gonna work. Come on. Come on. Oh no. You failed me for the last time. I'm Morgan Freeman. This is a terrible impression. Oh, hey, wait a second. No. It's still bad. It's still bad. Sad face. It's gonna be cool to see this in the tutorial and be able to say I saw it being made. You were here for the blood, sweat, and tears, Ploppy. And I appreciate you. This is how I'm feeling right now. No. What's happening? Okay. Anchor preferences. So back to the shenanigans over here with the what was it? How can I make this into a tutorial? With all of this junk. Actually, that's not what the focus is though. The focus is, remember, this stuff we probably won't even be showing on the video. We'll just be like showing this on the video saying, hey, look at this is what this is. You know, you don't have to see like the unsightly implementation details. We're just focusing on getting the user to go, ooh, ah, oh, poppin' fresh dough. It'd be cooler if like it had like an arrow tip. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Yeah, I really want to draw a... You know what actually might be better for this case is to do a rectangle, because then we can actually see what's happening. Do a line with the 1 again, and see how it's like basically showing up right at the origin of where it's being drawn. So that's what we're working with. So we have to. So it's doing exactly what it's telling it to do. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Who are you and what have you done with that? Hey now. He's absolutely right. Yeah, so you can see that if I really wanted to cheat, I could do this. I'm gonna make you very upset. Ah, that was way too easy. That was way easier. Gosh dang it, Bobby. Bobby, what are you doing short-circuiting this? Even with the 10 line with, yeah, there it is. Matt. It was fun. It was a fun tangent. Thank you very much, Matt. No, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm pretty sure this is my default go-to for dealing with these offset issues. You get the offset, and then you do half of the of your frame of what you're drawing. That's all you gotta do. Floppy, thank you. Boom. We got it. And the same thing with the text offset. There it is. And let's go back to circles, huh? Kirk. Oh, snap. Hey, team. We did it. It took a little bit of time, but there we go. So okay, what's missing from this? What's missing? I need a line that's orthogonal from the center of these control points to the curve. How am I going to do that? Oh, no. Change the color to show that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Purple dot green dot red dot blue. Oh, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. But kind of it's getting there. So the issue with that is that I need to have I need to know the spacing for that. Again, like if C1 is close to P1, well, even if it's outside, that kind of works though. Yeah, it kind of works. What do you guys think? Does that get the message across? Kind of does. I still kind of want like a little line going that way. I don't know. Maybe it's not necessary. Because let's take a look at this. Let's Bezier curve. Wikipedia. Check it. This is what we got. We've got, oh, okay. So here's what happens. So it's doing that. Oh, that's with 4 control points. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so I've got, how is it usually drawn? Okay, here we go. So it's a cubic Bezier curve that we're doing, right? Or no, is it a quadratic curve? Hold on a second. Hold on. Let's look again. Where are you? Who are you? Pad. Where are you, pad? Drawing pad. Yeah, drawing pad. Here you go. Nope. You're not it. Yeah. Add curve. Adds a cubic Bezier curve to the path with the specified endpoint and control points. Okay, so we're looking at cubic here. That's this guy. So Q1 and Q2. I mean, I guess we could draw a line from P1 to Q1. But what I really want is... Is that really... Is it? Would that just confuse people? So if here's my start point. Oh, you can't see. Here's my start point over here. Okay. Start point is here. End point is here. P0, P3 are start and end points. P1 is something. P2 is something else. Q1 and Q2 are the control points. And what happens is, what is happening here? It's an approximation, but you go here and here, not here so much, but right here. Oh, I think this is actually the path that gets traveled as you move along the curve. Okay. Q naught, Q1, R naught, R1. It's just showing like this. Maybe this is showing the slope of the line as you move across. This looks like the slope. Yeah, that's a slope. Okay. So how do we... Yeah, that's showing the... That's linear with a single control point for quadratic. This is showing two control points. I'm trying to figure out like if there's a good way to just... I want to show how it connects like it's like, you know, like a puppet string, you know what I'm saying? Like I want to be able to say, like as you're doing this, like you can see the curve happening, but like I want to be able to visualize that puppet string. Because if you can locate like where it's going to cause the curve, I guess in this case it's right here. I'm gonna think about that. Hey. We got a lot done in 2 hours. We could probably copy and paste this and just add a curve instead. So this is drawing pad. Let's call this curve drawing pad. And then we've got, maybe we'll have something like quad curve to destination, control. And now we've got this guy. And he is quad curve drawing pad. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then what we can do is we can how best to do this? Could I throw this in like a horizontal stack? And then could I do the same thing with let's call this a curve pad. I'm going to break it, aren't I? And then we'll just have the first control point. Quad curve pad. This one is going to need to have only green. Whoop. I failed to build. Why? Oh, control 1. Uh-oh. I broke it. I broke it. Oh no. Da-da-da-da-da-da. You know what I need? Okay, this is what we need to do. We need to essentially only draw. So these draggable markers need to be separate. And we need 2 separate views, which is okay. We can do that. Can we do that in a small amount of time here? Maybe. Because the draggable markers are what are causing issues. Oh, actually, no. This is actually not bad. It's just mirroring it. It's just mirroring it. So if I say control point, yeah, there we go. I just need to draw this the mirrored version. I guess that's okay. See, this red doesn't do anything for the quad curve. But once you start moving the C1, that's when it gets you. Wow. Okay, folks, it is time to stop today. Again, apologize for the short stream, but I got some stuff I got to take care of today. I hope you had fun. I had fun today. Did you guys have fun? Yay. Someday, we're going to be able to look back on all this and be like, hey, that was a pretty sweet experience. And hopefully we'll make some great videos that can be helpful for people just starting out with SwiftUI. Woohoo! Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming, guys. And thank you for the Stack Overflow help. Cocotype and Matt, Ploppy. Good to have you. And good luck, Chanzada, with your portfolio. Hope it works out for you. Cursplat, thanks for coming. Judah Rock, thank you for coming. AJ Gala, you're all the best. Did I miss anybody? I think it's everybody that was chilling in chat today. Ploppy. Tune in next time on Saturday where we do something fun and amazing. I don't know what's going to be, but it should be fun. Hey, anybody that we know that's online right now? Nar? Oh, well. Bye, folks. Have a great night.